Ka step ka bakmen ya pi baro. Hagani ka step na kwa ngai khublei yo chief minister jonga jala Meghalaya. Khublei juba mardor ya ka jingdawa jonga voice of the people party. Ban penmana pat ba no ya ka report jonga expert committee. Wadlada ka party ka singo thamula ya ka jingkren ka jung chief minister. Ubla penpau ba ka daw ka bala penong ya ka sokar ba kama ban Permana pai ba ploy ya kani report kadai namar ba kani report kala jrong pala bat kala kya pala ngim pat ju kami osmo ko ya ka bukum kani ka jing ai daw joga sokar lese ka sokar MDA balai lam de NPP ka pension mongrim ya ka policy da ka jing jrong bat ka jing kya jong ka policy nyuma ni don ka jing kamen ka baskem baga sokar kan shu kula thli ban pamana pai ba no ya kli ka report bangi the community passion ka sokar jla kan pamana pai ba no ya kli ka report jong ka expert committee khublei. Good morning everyone. In this morning I would like to thank the chief minister for his swift response to the demand of the voice of the people party in respect to the report of the expert committee. Even though the party feels it is rather strange to hear from the chief minister that the reason for the delay to announce the report of the expert committee is because the report was too lengthy and too heavy. This is the first time that we have come across this kind of an excuse. Perhaps the NPP led government determines the quality and effectiveness of a policy by the length and the weight of the policy document. Anyway, the party hope that this is not going to be an empty promise to the people and that soon the government will come out with a report without further delay. Thank you.